There are a few things better than the sight and smell of a healthy green Christmas tree in the living room during the holiday season. That's why Perfect Plants has made Christmas Tree Saver. Adding Christmas Tree Saver to your tree's water will help keep them green, fragrant, and drastically reduce needle drop. To get things started, pick out a tree that is green and full. Be sure you give your tree a fresh cut at the base of the trunk to improve water uptake. Now, for every 1 quart of water added to your tree stand, mix in 2 capfuls of Christmas Tree Saver. Screw your tree into its tree stand so it's sturdy and upright, then find the perfect spot in the house to set up. Now for the fun part, decorating your Christmas tree. Enjoy evergreen fragrance and a green tree all season long with Christmas Tree Saver by Perfect Plants. And from the Perfect Plants family to yours, have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.